Hello! Welcome to my video. Beauty by Dave. Hello. Oh my gosh, this is really happening. Wow, I'm going to get used to this at some point. Welcome. Hello, you're back. You came back for the second video. I can't believe it. Today, we have an introduction song. Supposed to dance to this song. It's okay, I do own this song. This is my song. YouTube. Not that you might believe me, but this is the intro. Okay. Alright, we kind of thought this out. Oh. And then they kind of didn't. Okay. There we go. Fade out. Okay, that was nice. Subtle. Subtle. Okay. Great. Okay. Anyway. Alright. Hi. Okay, now here's the other intro. If I had to edit out the first intro because of the music, I had a musical intro. Anyway, hi. Today we're going to do glow recipe. We're doing a glow recipe video today. Well, we're going to, in particular, hello, long anticipated. Oh, this one, so exciting. Obviously, we're doing the Hue Drops. The Who Drops? The Hue Drops. What are they? The Hue Drops? Not the Dew Drops? Oh. Yes. Yes. Just do it. Got it. Hello. Look at that. Look. Hue Drops. They're real. Sun Glow. I got them. Oh, my video. My light. Okay, there we go. Hi. Hi. Yes. Wow. I don't know if you can see that, but wow. I got it. After like a month and a half of anticipation, they've been doing a lot of pre-selling on this on this Glow Recipe Hue Drops. Very excited to get this. But anyway, so I really like Glow Recipe, and I'm just going to do a nice little skincare routine today. As we all know, at Beauty by Dave, we're here to help each other learn how to do beauty stuff, because it's fun. Skincare is real fun. And if you do a lot, it can be fun. There you go. Okay. All right, I got distracted by this. There we go. So skincare can be nice. Skincare can be a way to do, you can use products and participate without having to do makeup. So that's really cool. So that's kind of was a nice intro for me to get started with things. And I found that Glow Recipe is just one of my favorite brands. Mostly because it just feels good. It feels good. When I use the products, most of the time I just really like them. And I really like using them, and I don't really know why. And most of the time I don't really see almost any results or anything from them. But sometimes that's kind of a good sign for me. The more that a product doesn't really do anything, the more I really kind of like it. But that's okay. That's why we're here. So we're just going to go through this, highlight. It'll be fun. Highlight. So we're just going to go through. I have a shitload of Glow Recipe products, so we're just going to feature them. So hi, look at that. This is the Glow Recipe, the Blueberry Bounce Cleanser. Honestly, I've tried several cleansers, and I like this one. I like using this one. I don't really care about any of the other ones. I like it. You use it. It doesn't feel like there's anything weird on your face. Almost all the other cleansers that I used, it always feels like when you touch your face, it's like it feels sticky, or it feels like there's not great. But with this, there's none of that, and I love it. I started with the trial size, and then I bought the full size. You got me, gal. They got me. So that's what I just used fresh out the shower today. I've got nothing on. I cleansed my little face with my Glow Recipe Blueberry. And then this is probably my favorite product of all time. I'm going to be very honest with you, as I always am. This is fun. This is fun. This is a fun feature of the beginning stages of our little channel here. This light that we're going to replace next time, right? Yeah. Okay. Yes, put it closer and then you can see it, right? Anyway, this is the toner. The Watermelon Glow Toner. Oh my god. If you haven't tried this, just go get the mini. This is the mini. I just go get the minis. It's so good. Does it do anything? I don't know. Does it do anything to the pores? I don't think so. I love that. I love that for you. So I'm just gonna do 3 little droppies. 1, 2, 3. Oh gosh. And the smell. It smells so good. Ugh. Oh, then just like slather it on. Like, don't get it like in your actual eye, but you know, it's okay. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god, you just put it everywhere. It's very wet. It's very liquidy. And then it does come with this little droppy thingy stopper. Put that stopper back in every time. Just do it. All right, I love it. It's working so much better today than last time. Okay, we got the Tony Tone. Oh, love, 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 love. Okay. And then we're just going to show you, we got the dewdrops today. Love, love, love. I am actually just going to put on all of my little Glow Recipe products today, just for fun. You know, other than, we're going to skip the dewdrop, because we're doing the hue drop, you know, so there. Okay, hello. Alright, at some point I'm going to have to just not turn it back on, you know. Here's the Glow Recipe, the Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. The Tony Toner Turn. Ooh, I'd like to say that, I guess. The Cloudberry, you know, it's a fun name. Like, what's a Cloudberry? You know? What's a Cloudberry smell like? You know? The answer is not much. Not much, sweetie. You know, and maybe that's where the essence comes in. Because, you know, maybe there was like at some point an essence of Cloudberry. Maybe the Cloudberry passed through this product at some point, but you're not getting a whole lot of this. But I've used half of it. It's a really nice gel. It's a really nice toner. I do like it. I'm just going to go ahead and give myself a nice little squirt just for fun. It still doesn't really smell like much. Like, there's maybe like faint kind of tropical, but it's a great vibe. It's way more jelly. The watermelon toner is super liquidy. Super wet. The Cloudberry is very gel, so a little bit thicker, but you know, pretty much does the same thing. I do like it, but the watermelon one just is a really nice experience. Okay, we've also got this Plum Hyaluronic Cream. This is one of their moisturizers. I just don't really care for this one that much. It's fine. It's just in this pot, so you gotta dig it out, and like, no, I don't like that at all. Why would you do that when you have these nice, incredibly beautiful bottles with pumps on them? Like, it's just so much easier. Okay. So we've got toner on. Now let's just get into the hue drops. Look at that. Look at this. This is just, it's the dewdrops, but to a whole other level. This is a pretty interesting product. I'm not gonna lie. I did open it yesterday and play with it a little bit. I'll be the dummy that reads the stupid box. Your favorite dewdrops with a tinted twist. Multi-use brightening serum combines blah 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 with a beautiful bronzy finish. Niacinamide, centella, blah blah blah. Ethically sourced. Light reflecting pigments instantly enhance skin's natural tone and add glowing radiance without seeping into pores. This bronzing serum is your go-to for an effortless, Ellie, streak-free, sun-kissed glow. We're going to test this out because this is a really interesting product. This is going to be a really interesting product. Sadly, my setup kind of sucks, so I'm not sure we're going to see a whole lot, but that also might be because, spoiler alert, the product doesn't do a whole lot, folks. There's not a whole lot of bronze in these bronzy drops. Okay, so you can see we got a nail here. Ooh, we're doing the silver nails, steel, as they say. It's gonna be all the rage. Watch, it's gonna be all the rage. I tell ya. This one's called Steel Waters Run Deep. OPI, love it. Picked it up at like Rite Aid yesterday or something like that. Yes. Okay. I'm just gonna show you these because it's really an incredible product. Okay. Here's my hand. Let's see if we can. Okay. Look at this product. It's so wild. It is wild. Look at that fucking shit, dog. Even look at that. Yeah, yeah, turn that light off. Yeah, go ahead, do it. Look at that. I'm a little speechless right now. That is incredible. Okay. It looks so dark, but look what happens to my hand when I do this. Keep looking. What's happening? We're glowing. We're glowing. We're glowing. But are we bronzing? Are we bronzing? Where's the bronzy? Okay. Look at my hand now. What happened? What just happened? What just happened? Where'd all those bronze drops go? Because it's glowy as fuck and it's beautiful and it's gorgeous. Oh, it smells like the watermelon, dude. Oh, the watermelon smell. It's so good. I read this on the inside of the bottle. There's something about the watermelon in this formula is extracted from the pulp, seeds, and rind using an extraction method that helps conserve energy and reduce carbon emissions. Yeah. I bet. All leftover waste in the process is upcycled for future products. Okay, well, whatever that is, it's delightful. Dude, keep doing that. Anyway, look at this. Glow, but no bronze. I mean, there's like... This hand is not bronzed. What are you doing? God, I'm fisting right now. I'm posting fisting videos to YouTube. Oh, God. I'm going to be banned now. I mean, I'm not seeing a whole lot of difference here. This one is way shiny. You definitely see the shine and the glow. This, oh my gosh. Let's just white it out. Gosh. Sorry, this is so low budge. Anyway, enough of the fisting. Okay, now we're going to put it on our face. See, that was the whole point, is that this stuff looks terrifying. It looks intimidating as fuck, but like, it blends right in. This is amazing. This is going to be fucked up what I'm about to do. I'm going to put 2 entire pumps on my fucking face. All right. I'm going to put a pump on this side. And I'm going to put a whole pump on this side, babe. I'm not lying. I ain't fucking lying. Look at that. Dude, are you a pimp? What are you doing? Look at you. Oh. Oh, girl. Boom, boom. Strike a pose. Strike a pose. I'm just going to let this kind of sit because it's sickening. Tears of a drag queen. Oh. So sad. Oh. Do I look like I'm crying? Okay. All right, see, this is going to be crazy. All right, we're just going to, I don't have my mirror, so we're going to go all in here. It's just going to go crazy. We're just going to go fuck it up, dude. Just go ham, dog. Just go crazy. Fuck the eyes. Went everywhere. Beard line, fuck it. The smell, oh my God, there's a fucking, it's like you're slathering watermelon Jolly Rancher. Oh, your face, it's so yummy. Okay, we are glowing as if we just ran a marathon. Like, we are just like the glow captains of the world. I'm glad I did my hair today. Yes, I'm so glad I did. I did. All right, let's get all up in there, girl. All right, okay. Wow. I mean, you saw how gold that was. I had 2 entire drops on my face. Where's the bronze? Where's the sun glow? I mean, to be even like perfectly frank with you, like it doesn't really do much as a bronzy drop. the glow is, it's a little bit sticky on the hand. It's the scotch. Man, you're supposed to do like an 8-minute video, and I was like 16. But we're having fun here, folks. Wow. I mean, this is extremely informative. I mean, look at this. If you were thinking about getting the Hue Drops, but you're like, no, it's way too dark. It's way too bronzy. Girl, don't be afraid of this shit. It's not. It's not fucking bronzy at all. It's just delightfully, extremely glowy. If you are a glow girl, like, you will fucking die for this product. I'm going to stop right here for my skincare for today because we're just doing skincare, but I'm going to have a lot of fun experimenting with this product. I'm going to put this under some of my favorite foundation and skin tints because it just has an incredible glow. I mean, if I was only wearing this out, it would probably maybe be a little bit too much glow. Maybe I would only do one pump next time, but as you can see, it blended in beautifully. I mean, you be the judge. I love the glow. So yeah, 10 out of 10 on the glow. I mean, I'm going to be honest. I really was kind of hoping for a bit of bronzy. I was looking to get a bit of a bronzy, and I'm not really. It's not serving bronze. It's not serving bronze, but it serves. It's going to serve every day, and you know, we here at Beauty by Day, we're here for everyday makeup. You know, everyday stuff that we can use. So this is a really, 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 really fantastic product. I'm going to be interested to see some side-by-sides. It says it's supposed to kind of even out some redness, even out some skin tone. I'm not sure if it's accomplishing that. So I'm going to experiment with that and see what's up. But this is really a strongly approved product by Dave. I really like this. Please comment below if you have experience with this product. If you like anything else from the Glow recipe, let's chat about it. You always have fun. Oh my God, hello! Okay, all right. Thank you, everybody. You have a great day. Okay, just have a great day. All right, you just have a great fucking day, baby. Woo!